lets out a tiny sneeze. Good morning, puppy. Still feeling sleepy, drifting gently through your dreams. Every time I hold you, I feel your warmth, and the morning begins slowly. A tiny yawn curling up in a ball. Are you still lost in your dreams? When I whisper your name near your ear, your little tail sways gently. Good morning, puppy. Still feeling sleepy, drifting gently through your dreams. Every time I hold you, I feel your warmth, and the morning begins slowly. Soft light through the curtain, few more moments in this dreamy time. Your heartbeat echoes close to me, and here happiness is found. Good morning, puppy. Open your eyes, drifting gently in the morning light. Spending another day together is the greatest happiness. Thank you. Still feeling the warmth of puppy. Let's step forward together today. Morning light falls upon the garden. Poppy dashes out, racing with the wind, chasing the ball, running through the grass, wagging his tail full of joy. Round and round we spin, hop and hop, we jump, dancing with laughter in the breeze. This joyful time fluffy fur. You twirl around as if tickled, holding a brush. I meet your gaze and you sigh just a little. Swish, swish, as I comb through your coat, shining like a soft, fluffy cloud. For you, Poppy, I'll brush you gently. This feels like a magical grooming time. At first you try to run away, but then you relaxed and closed your eyes. An afternoon of drowsy moments, with a yawn your tail sways softly. Swish, swish, as I comb through your coat, your fur sparkles gleaming bright. As the wind blows, dreams take flight, soft little feathers floating in the sky. Now you're all clean, reflected in the mirror, Poppy with a slightly proud little smile. Opening the door, leash in hand, wagging your tail, let's head out. The streets glow in the sunset's hue, stepping forward light and free. Golden fur sways in the breeze, shining bright under the light. You run to me with a joyful smile, walking with you a path of happiness. We reach the park, the leash comes off. You dash freely, race in the wind, softly bouncing golden fur, carrying tiny dreams along. A sudden laugh makes you turn around. A small hand reaches out to you, spinning around like a tickle and dance, sharing a moment, gentle and kind. As the sun sets, our shadows stretch. On the way home, we take it slow, walking side by side together. Tomorrow again. the still of the night, we stay close, feeling the warmth drifting into dreams. Tiny breaths like a gentle rhythm, soft feelings slowly melt away. Opening a picture book, reading aloud. Poppy listens, ears gently perked. Eyelids grow heavy, a doorway to dreams. A gentle stroke, then good night. Softly touching your desk,